Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today, we'll be discussing and solving certain examples regarding the perimeter of regular and irregular shapes. So, without any further delay, let's start. So I hope that you have revised the chapter 5 and you have started from the beginning for mensuration, that is the region and boundaries, perimeter and area. And we have discussed in a previous video as to how do we find out or derive the formulas of various perimeters of triangles, of rectangle, of rhombus, square, circle, etc. So now coming to some examples. For example, example 1. Shabana wants to put a lace border all around the rectangle table cover, 3 meter long and 2 meter wide. Find the length of the lace required by her. So 3 meter long and 2 meter wide, that is, there is a table that is having a length of 3 meters and the width of 2 meters, and this will be equal to this one and this will be equal to this one because it is a rectangular table. So we can just draw this and make ABCD, and after that find the length of the lace required. So we know that the length of lace required basically means that we are talking about boundary, and therefore if we are talking about boundary we are talking about perimeter. And perimeter formula has been discussed in the previous video, that it is 2 into AB plus BC. Therefore, AB is equal to 3 centimeter or 3 meters. So 2 into 3 plus BC is 2, and that is in meters. So therefore 3 plus 2, 5 into 10 is equal to 10 meters is the total length of the lace required by her. Example number 2. An athlete takes 10 rounds of rectangular park, 50-meter long and 25-meter wide. Find the total distance covered by him. So again you will make the figure and you will make that LAB is equal to 50 meters, and you will make BC is equal to 25 meter, and after that you will just make a figure as the given, and you will make the name the vertices ABCD, and AB is equal to 50. So this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this because it is a rectangle. And the thing which is to be noted is that he makes 10 rounds. Therefore, we will have to first of all find the perimeter and then multiply by 10 to that perimeter because he has taken 10 rounds. So 10 into perimeter is 2 into AB plus BC, and that is 10 into 2 into 50 plus 25. Okay, so you can multiply the 10 and 2 together, so that will become 20, and that is 20 into 50 plus 25, that is 75. So 75 into 2 is equal to 150. So 150 and 0 will become 1500 meters. So that is the answer. The total distance covered by the athlete in 10 rounds is 1500 meters. Example 3. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 150 centimeter and 1 meter respectively. So here the concept of conversion of unit will also be used. That is the thing which we learned in decimals and playing with numbers, that will also be used. So first of all what you have to do, you have to make the figure. After that you have to write AB is equal to 150 centimeter and BC is equal to 1 meter. After that you have to make them their units equal to each other. You can write BC into centimeter or AB into meters. So what we'll do, we'll write the meter into centimeter. It is better to convert the larger unit into a smaller unit. That will avoid us having the use of decimals. So it can be written as 100 centimeter, that is the length of BC. After that we have to find perimeter, so that will be 2 into L1 plus L2 or AB plus BC, and that will be 2 into 150 plus 100, and that will become 2 into 250 And finally, the answer will be 500 centimeters. Example number 4. A farmer has a rectangular field of length and breadth 240 meter and 180 meter respectively. He wants to fence it with 3 rounds of rope as shown in figure. That is, he is trying to fence it by using certain wooden or any other supports or pillars, and he is using it like this and then like this and then like this, and his farm is in the form of a rectangle that is like this, and the thing has been mentioned that length is 240 meters and breadth is 180 meters, and what is the total length of rope he must use. Therefore it will be 3 into perimeter, that is 3 into 2 into L1 plus L2. L1 plus L2 can be written as 240 plus 180, and 3 into 2 can be multiplied with each other. So 6 into 240 plus 180, and that will become 0 8 4 12 1 2 2 4 420. So 6 into 420, and that will be the answer, that 42 into 6, and that will be 6 twos are 12, 1 6 fours are 24, 25, 1 0 was there, so 2520. So the answer will be 2520 meters of rope will be required to fence that, or 2.52 kilometers. Coming to example number 5. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 2 for 50 meter. So for now I will not be making any okay, let us make the diagram, that will be much better. So 250 meters of length and 175 meter of width. So I will just write L1 and L2, and I will write L1 is equal to 250 meter and L2 is equal to 175 meters, and the rate of rupees 12 per meter, and rate is rupees 12 per meter. So what is the cost of fencing? If we just fence it once, then that will be 2 into L1 plus L2, that will be 250 plus 175, and that will give us the answer of 250, 175, 5 7 और 5 12, एक और ये 4, so 425 into 2 will be there, so that will become 425 into 2 will be there, and that will become 850. That is the total perimeter. After that we need to find the cost, so cost will be 850 into 12, and that will be, this will be meter and this will be rupees per meter. So meter will get cancelled down and the answer will be in rupees. So 850 into 12, whatever the answer is, you can just write it down. So just a guess that 850 will be 10 times, and 85 into 2 will be 160, 170, 170 will be written over here. 0 0 7 और 5 12, 1 8 और 2 10. So 10200, that is the cost, that is 10,200. Now example number 6. Find the distance traveled by Shaina if she takes 3 rounds of a square park of side 70 meters. So we know that a square has all the sides equal to each other, and if any of the one side length is mentioned, we can find the perimeter easily. So L, and L is equal to 70 meters. After that she takes 3 rounds. So 3 rounds will be mentioned over here so that we do not forget. What will be the perimeter? It will be 4 into L, that is 70, and that will be 280 meters. After that total perimeter will be that total, what is that? Total distance. Total distance will be written as T into 280, that is 28 into 3, it will be 8 3s are 24, 2 3 to the 6 plus 2 8, 840. So that will be the total distance she has covered. Example number 7. Pinky runs around a square field of side 75 meter. Okay, so Pinky is running or for around a square having the L is equal to 75 meter. After that, Bob runs around a rectangular field with length 160 meter and 105 meter, and there is a person Bob who is running around a rectangle, and he has the L1 is equal to 160 meter and L2 is equal to 105 meter. You can draw the figure after looking at this particular data. Who covers more distance and by how much? So perimeter for Pinky will be PP will be 4 into 75, and that will be 7 fours are 28 and 5 fours are 20. So that will be 300 meters, and P of Bob will be 2 into L1 plus L2. So 160 plus 105, that will mean 265. That will mean 265, and that into 2 will be, we should just do it. 5 into 2, 10, 6 twos are 12 plus 1, 6 2 are 12 plus 1, 13, and 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. So 530 meters. So obviously the total distance that has been run is greater for Bob because he has run for 530 meters, and dividing subtracting 530 and 300, we will get a difference of 230. So he has run more than Pinky by 230 meters. That is the answer. PB minus PP. Example number 8. Find the perimeter of a rectangle of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 3 cm. So here comes the part about which I was talking about, that for those who have not gone through the chapter 5 will not be able to understand certain things and will have confusion. So revise it and make notes. Regular pentagon. So regular pentagon, that is that there will be a side, each side will be equal to each other, and the pentagon will be drawn something like this, and L is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore this will become 5L, and that will become 5 into 3, and that is 15 centimeter. After that, example number 9. Perimeter of regular hexagon is 18 centimeter. How long is its one side? So hexagon, that is obviously a six-sided one, and regular means that all the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal, which mean that L is equal to 18 centimeter is sufficient for us. And 6 into perimeter of, okay, perimeter is 18 centimeter, not L is 18 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. Therefore, P is equal to 6L is equal to 18 centimeter. Therefore, L is equal to 18 by 6, and that will mean 3 centimeter. So how long is its one side? That is 3 centimeter. Now coming to the next part. Okay, so with this we conclude the various solved and unsolved examples for regular shapes and their perimeters. So I hope that you have found our way of teaching useful and easy. So for those who like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And in case you have any suggestions or feedbacks, do comment in the comment section, or you can just connect with us on any of our social media handles like LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. And keep making notes, keep revising. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.